So dito na yung kuan dito sa Jamaica. So may mga souvenir shops dito. Yan. Souvenir shops. Souvenir shops dito. Mga tinda-tinda doon sa kabila. Tricycle na dito. May tricycle din sila. Ito yung Jamaica. Ayan. Mga pandin dito. Fountain nila. Cute. Ito na yung papuntang excursion. So bago lang sila nag-open kasi ngayon lang tayo naka dock yung barko. So yun, mayroon na silang opening. 100% sure thing, Jamaica. Ito yung plaza nila. Mga binta-binta din dito.
Well, I'm finished. Almost 6.
Mga pa. Dami din. Binta dito. Diba, sirado pa. Maaga pa kasi, 7 o'clock. So, yung lahat ng mga kuwan dito. Tinda, sirado pa. May iba na open na. Sabi nga yung isa ka turista, too early to shop for now. Ayan ito. Na natin. Nakuha na natin dito. Ito yung mga tinda-tinda na dito. Ito yung pinaka-plaza nila. Galing sa pier. Ito yung mga bitinda nila. Ganda. Dahil mga tinda. Dahil mga tinda nila. May mga pagkain sila dito. May mga plaza din dito. Mga plaza. Tinda nila dito. Dahil mga tinda. Oh. Shorts Jamaica. They have shorts Jamaica. Ito pa yung plaza dito. Mga plaza yan. Ang dami pa mga tinda-tinda dito. Yan. Yan. Plaza. May plaza din dyan. So, yung pier nila. So palabas na yung mga tao. Kita mo yung kuan dito. Tsaka ito yung plaza nila. May mga tinda din dito. Yan. Doon may mga parang flea market. Doon banda. Kabubukas lang din. Yan. Ito yung mga paninda nila dito. Jamaica. One love. Jamaican products. One love. Yan. Mga Jamaica. Tinda-tinda nila dito. Yan. Souvenir shops. sa may plaza nila dito. May mga aso din. May mga paninda nila. Maraming paninda. Ganda din sila sa craftsmanship. Ayan. Ito yung plaza nila. Pinaka-plaza na nila dito. Mga historical place din pala dito. Ayan. Ikutin natin para makita nyo kung anong kuwan dito. Habang naghintay tayo ng excursion. Alas 8 pa. Ayan. Ito yung plaza. Plaza nila. Ganda yung ibon ah. Tinig ng ibon. Yan. Aeroplano din sa taas oh. Ayan. Bismarck Farm to. Bismarck Farm. Ito lang kasi tinamaan sila ng bagyo. Bago lang. Tinamaan sila ng hurricane. Kaya naka-recover. Bago lang sila naka-recover. Yan. So ito. May mga aso din. Gala. Ano. Hindi naman siguro ito mga gat. Ayan. Ito yung kuha natin. Barko. Ayan. Ito yung pinaka-plaza nila dito na malapit sa port. Ayan. So, yung palapit na yung mga turista dito. Ito yung Norwegian Star. So, this is the highway. Some of the stores are still closed. Pero ito yung pinaka-kuha nila. Flea market nila dito. So, sirado pa yung iba. Yung iba hindi na open. Ayan. So, so ito yung pinakakuan dito. Ayan. May mga paninda na. Yung iba sirado pa kasi maaga pa, bago pa nakadock yung barko. Ito yung pinaka-plaza nila at saka mga souvenir shops dito. Ayan. Ito yung souvenirs of Jamaica. Ayan. Parking lot na pala ito. Tingnan natin yan. So busy na yung mga tao dito. Paninda. Morning. We have already one. Thank you. We got already one. We're just waiting.
What tour are you doing?
Going to the falls.
Oh, done.
Yeah, yeah. May mga aso din dito. Yan. Mga tinda nila dito. One lang. One. Mga tinda-tinda. Ito yung kamba of Bob Marley. Ito si Bob Marley. Ito yung pinakakuha nila. Iconic nila. Bob Marley. Ganda din yung mga tinda nila. Ito yung mga product ng Jamaica. Jamaica. Good morning. So, ito yung mga product na dito. Good, good, good. Thank you. Ito yung mga paninda na dito.
All right, no problem, man. And ladies and gents, we are going to Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Yeah, man?
Yeah, man.
All right, no problem. I was looking for my pens, all right, no problem. All right, so ladies and gents, I'm sure the driver already introduced himself. My lady here, you don't know the driver name. Everyone else know the driver name. Can we all say the driver name?
Yeah,
All right, and can you all say the tour guide name?
Jennifer.
All right, and ladies and gents, the local people don't call me Jennifer, they call me Jennifer. And why do they call me Jennifer? Because they eat two letters from my name. And can you tell me the two letters that they eat from my name? E and R. All right. Old Wharf. Back in the days, we used to have ships here, but not cruise ships. The ships used to dock here. They used to take sugar, rum, banana. It was also a slave trade. And the port used to be here back in the days, was one of the busiest ports in Jamaica for those exports. However, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line and Port Authorities of Jamaica came up with having the idea of having that dock there for cruise ships. Just to let you know that the first ship to dock there was a Voyager of the Seas. So Voyager of the Seas was a testing ship. However, the ship that officially opened the port was Oasis of the Seas. Falmouth Pier opened on February 17, 2011. Alright? So before Falmouth, most of the cruise ships used to dock in Oches, Jamaica and Montego Bay, Jamaica. Falmouth is just in the middle of them, but you can get easy access to Mo Bay as well as to Ochi. Alright, no problem, man. Back home, you call this building over here a trade school. Alright, the building over here to the left, you would call it a trade school. Alright, but here in Jamaica, we call it a training center. That's where the young ones go to upgrade their education. They're unable to afford university and college. They just go there and they learn a skill in order for them to attain a job in the working field. All right, no problem, man. I'm seeing Kentucky Fried Chicken. It's too early for Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, man. And it's not Kentucky Fried Chicken for Jamaicans. What do we call it? We say keep from cooking, keep families coming, keep from cleaning, and if you're fat, we don't call people fat because fat is a bad word. What do we call them? Fluffy. Keep fluffy coming, alright? No problem, man. Yeah, man. Fat is a bad word, but fluffy is a good word, alright? No problem, man.
Fluffy.
I don't know anyone on board. Are you familiar with driving on this side back home? Anyone? Nobody familiar with driving on this side back home? All right, I didn't remember to let you know that we use some words in Jamaica. I'm sure Patrick already told you about yaman and what do yaman means. Patrick, you didn't say?
We were talking about other things.
You're talking about other stuff. All right, no problem. I'm too nosy, that's why I wanted to know. All right, so ladies and gents, here in Jamaica, if you're answering to a question, it's going to be yes, you say yaman. Yaman means yes. It is spelled Y-E-A-H-M-O-N. Yaman, that means yes. If you're feeling good, it's Irimon. I-R-I-E-M-O-N. That means you're all right or you're feeling good. No problem means no problem. And if I say it means no. And ladies and gents, can you tell me the sounds of the dolphin makes? So even dolphins in Jamaica speak patois. Alright, yeah man, no problem man. Yeah man. So you're not familiar with driving situation. Alright. How many persons been to Jamaica before on board? Raise your hands. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. No problem. Alright. So first timers to Jamaica. First timers here? What took you so long to get to Jamaica? Was it the Norwegian Star? Or was it this? Or was it Hurricane Melissa? All the above or none of the above?
All of the above.
Alright, no problem. Alright, however, don't let this time be your first and your last. You come again, and when you come again, you bring some friends. We love having the friends in Jamaica. It's no problem in no situation. And I'm sure you've seen the Jamaican flag before. All passengers, seen the Jamaican flag before?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me the colors of the Jamaican flag?
Yellow,
Yellow, red, black. Green.
green,
Green, black, and? Alright, so it's not yellow, it's not yellow. What is it? Gold. Black, green, and gold. And ladies and gents, what do you believe the color black represents? The color black. You don't want to say, right? What's the color black represent? The skin tone, look at me. Yeah, it's a peeper. What about the green in the flag? Not marijuana. The green in the flag is the land. And the gold in the flag is the? Okay, good. It's the sunshine. So ladies and gents, it simply mean hardship there is, but the grass is green and the sun shining. And ladies and gents, we gained our independence on August 6, 1960? 62. 19 some part of the property. All right, so this is the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Melissa was her name? Yeah man, no Melissa on board. I looked through the tickets, I didn't see a Melissa on board. All right, yeah man. All right, so you have some beautiful homes over here to the right. And ladies and gents, most of the persons who lives at Retreat Heights are returning resident from the UK. But just to let you know that when Jennifer win the lottery and the super lottery, I'll be living up there. So you'll be all invited for Christmas dinner, alright? And what is going to be on the menu for Christmas dinner? Curry goat, alright, no problem, man. Yeah, man. Speed limit here in Jamaica, 50 on the byway, 80 on the highway, 110 on the tolled road. Kilometers. Alright? But sometimes you have drivers that plus the 50 with the 80, I'm not sure where they're going. Maybe they have an emergency, so that's why they go that fast. And you know what we call the fast drivers here in Jamaica? CJs. Crazy Jamaicans, alright? Crazy Jamaicans. Coming up shortly on the right, we have limestone. And 2/3 of Jamaica is made up of limestone. We use it for the building of our homes and road. It is also used to add one of the most important things we use in the mornings. Some persons read twice a day, some persons read 3 times a day. And can you guess what that is? What does limestone used to help make?
cement,
We know it used to make cement. Yeah, it used towards the building of our homes and roads. cold, but it's also used to help one of the most important things we use in the morning. We use it twice a day or we use it 3 times a day. Someone say toothpaste. If you say toothpaste, you're correct.
Daylight and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me banana. Daylight come and me want go home. 6 and 7 and 8 and bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. 6 and 7 and 8 and bunch. Daylight come and me want go home. Then me say them, 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 me say them. Oh. Daylight and me want go home. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Whee!
Everybody,
Yeah, happy.
you like that one, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.